or getting into the academy or something like that. And so the first point is this. What is the source of the material? Is it your buddy saying, hey, my recruiter told me this? Well, you know what? You got about like a 50-50 shot on that one. So first ask what the source of the material is. Now, that's from a recruiter. But let's talk about some of the other places that you can find information online. Listen, there are a bunch of forums. There are web posts that are other webs. Look, you got to be really, really, really careful. If you're just out on a forum where you're sharing information back and forth and people are posting, just look at the tone. There's people arguing with each other. There's people making fun of each other. And look, there is no repercussion for that person if the answers they're giving you are completely and totally false. And so in other words, the person could be just totally making something up and you have absolutely no idea why. So be very, very careful where the information is that you get. When you get into, I've got a big resource which you're probably familiar with called the Fighter Pilot Power Pack. The first book I ever wrote is a 189-page book. It's called Future Ace, the definitive guide on how to become a fighter pilot. When I wrote that book, one of the very first things that I teach you how to do is gather information, the importance of information gathering. This is absolutely important to make sure that you get the right information. Again, I've seen so many tragedies. I've got one of my best friends is a result of getting bad information. He waited way too long, and as a result of waiting way too long, he was completely ineligible to get a flight slot based on the fact that he acted on bad information and he waited too long. Do not let that happen to you. Be careful where you get your information. It's huge, and question absolutely everything. Okay, myth number 3. This is absolutely huge. Do not do this. Myth number 3 is that you can just pick up a phone and call a recruiter. Listen,